Hey, good morning, guys. I'm going on the better lighting. Good morning, guys. Okay, so I know it's a long time I don't see me and all these niceness, but yes, I'm vlogging today because we're going to a river with the children. Because yesterday was Children's Day, so we're treating them today to a river trip and all these things. So guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys enjoy it and have fun with us. Alright? So I'm gonna show you who accompany the trip, just some of the people them. Of course. So this is my big sister. This is my big sister. This is the big one. This is the bigger one because she's bigger than she. So this is Vashti. We don't know Vashti from the other video them, and this is Roxy Boo. This is my boo.
You cannot come in it. And then turn.
Good morning, Uncle Bruce. Come say good morning, Uncle Bruce. Say good morning to the vlog. Yeah, for wave. Yeah.
To the vlog.
Say good morning, YouTube. Good morning, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Good morning. Say good morning. You never in my last vlog. Rosemary did in there, so you have to in there now. Come, Auntie Peaches, don't run. Say good morning.
Hi, good morning.
You're still in it.
We're going to
Good
the
morning.
river. We're going to enjoy ourselves.
That's right.
You will
That's
see
right.
us at the river. Okay?
That's right. In about suit and beer things. Yeah.
Good morning, YouTube.
Yeah, where are we going today?
We're going to a river.
River. Alright. So good morning.
Good afternoon.
Don't come here face then. Me see you already. Good morning. Who is Abby? Good morning. Say hi YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah. But anyways guys, I'm back and I'm trying to vlog more consistently. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and remember, share non-stop. You hear me at Salono? Please. Can you see when you share? Is it the more you share or the more you post? Yes, where the sun can shine on your beautiful skin. So good morning. Good morning. To YouTube and everything. Come and good morning. Good morning. Yeah, good morning.
What time will I leave again?
7 o'clock.
No, 6 o'clock we leave. Anytime we leave is 6.
I know it's 7:23. Come, brother Dennis. Come say good morning to my vlog. Say good morning to YouTube. To know cricket.
So far, I'm the defending champion. Bruce
That's
and
it.
everybody want to beat me in cricket.
Let's see if that will happen today. Let's see if that will happen today. Come say good morning. Say good morning, YouTube.
Good morning.
Good morning, YouTube. Good morning. Come say good morning, mommy. Morning to YouTube. Say good morning.
Morning.
Howdy.
Say good
You're so
morning,
proud,
Papa. Good morning. Good morning. Him bilang they are weak, but he.
Mommy, where's Kaija? Make sure she flow the skirt now, please. Yeah. I know if you have video yourself, I'll come down.
So guys, we have arrived at the lovely Eden Bliss with the watchdog. Stop calling the dog a nigga. We have arrived, dear Lord. Dear Lord. We have arrived at the location.
In video.
This is it. I'm not deleting nothing. See me
You have
on
to
that chat.
vice it over.
See me, I'm not vice over nothing. Stop touch me. Don't want to show. Put your tongue on my body. Yeah.
But now have really balance space, so I look that it go all the way back.
So this is it, guys.
You got 360 spin.
Right, more on the but it now really sit through nothing right so. I forgot though.
Yeah. We are at the place.
And we can't wait to go in the water. Yes. But that, that's on a level now.
Hey, Azzy. Hey, Azzy, say hi. And we're back up. Boys are playing football. Hey, John, I never say hi to your vlog. Say hi. Say hi, YouTube.
Yeah. I cook dumpling, you know.
Alright.
Big flour dumpling.
My
A
God.
little bit of caramel in that.
No, come. No come. Hey, John, cook already? Doggy. I don't want to know around the food them, you know. Soup already.
Take the soup off of the farm. Just go pick the cup of soup and bowl of soup.
I hope you stay Orius.
I personally say,
Yeah.
yeah, and this way I work with. We like the fire set speed. And look at you. I fire this, you know.
Polish.
Polish. And this I go catch the fire.
I want to see how that do.
Yeah, man. We just go butter it. Yeah, man. A real thing.
I'm have to go step back.
Subscribe.
Because this sound like explosion, you know. How this work.
Yeah, man. You see them one day. And them like a burn out fast. Pathfinder, I see right now, you know.
Oh, yeah, I see.
Years of studying.
Yeah, I learn Orius.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I learn too.
Normally, we use the black polish.
Mm-hmm.
But that one we find. So trial and error.
I want to be a joke too.
But how it's not starting
We have
on
coconut leaf, so we
fire?
don't even need no polish. See, coconut leaf is so once you press up, you know, the light one spot.
With the black time, the first time black polish.
General.
No, the general.
Nugget.
Nugget.
Kiwi.
Nugget.
What? The fire is starting.
One piece of bramble.
Oh,
Okay, you know.
You catch? Yeah, you see it there?
Oh, that's right. My five paper.
Mm-hmm.
Everything we are using, you know. Last days. Last days.
Fun the fire.
No man, I want a fun man.
Make it catch.
Automatic fire that, you know, that you out, you know.
See it here start.
it's a
Fireman didn't call me.
Oh, yeah.
You have to go wash out and butter down with the axiom. I don't want to worse than. I go wash this up.
Oh, forget it. Oh, I forgot chicken. Gotcha. Whole are full of man. Put on that. Make we go wash off and come back.
You can't even get to set up the camera to see her.
That's just because what I'm doing, you must dunk it. Yeah? Hey. Oh, pretty sir. It's a pretty guy.
Some set up in it.
Hey, hold on.
Hold on.
Glorious!
Alright, come back down here.
Hey, there's a deep always head alone you see. You can't even see. We need to come up. Come now.
No man, right just so with the sun. Right here, sunny, but right just so with the sun. But what if I like
Lenora.
you have to step down in it?
No, I need to see first.
Come on, it's flat, man. Go on, man.
Right as a flag.
But something up on it. I was recording? Oh no.
No, but sure. You poor thing.
Thank God for Roxanne because look where me I come from. From way down there, so. She's holding my hand. Everybody know me through the water.
You can't see your foot now, you know you can't video it.
Yeah. Yeah, you're so clear and pretty. Yay.
Nice over here.
No, same way.
Why not do it?
You're so deep.
Yes, it's that deep. Chop.
It passed me knee.
Copy.
Me not go no further.
Come on, I'll stop it.
Wait.
That's a silent. It's a problem over the
Me yes so, me alright, yes so.
phone. And stop it. So you pick it up there so you have to go.
You mean not on? Nothing
Leah,
more.
why you afraid it don't be just see them going out and it must come to I can't you shot you afraid it up.
Yes, and me cannot swim.
Me can swim. Come, only make you drown. Me not that bad.
But me will make you drown. I don't know if I
you
save myself. No man, they're so deep man. Look how it go down more. Wait. Me stay here sir.
Come up here then, look.
But that's so go slippery.
No, don't go all the way up there. Come here, you see?
Fish up here. Or water bug. Water. Wait there, it gone?
Yeah, see there? Gone. I water bug, man.
No more swift man.
Too sweet. You not deep enough? Feel like a leg.
Hey! Wait, me yeah. Jesus. I'm coming. Whoa! I'm coming, Sam. The stone I move. Daddy, you can't go and left me now. Roxanne, you let me go?
Yeah, I'm
Jesus, we come back and I'm still there, say no. I want to know.
not leaving you, Leah.
Wait. Let me go step now.
Feel. Look for
Alright,
green.
yeah.
Okay.
Woo! Something. Guys, I survived. Thanks to Roxanne. God, she carried me through the water. Because I don't have a river shoes. And me I walk and slide and I can't see the water because Vashti go in front of me and I make the mud come down. So I couldn't see and from I can't see, I can't put my foot there. So big up Roxanne, she. Thank God she come. Sure. Because Vashti just gone left me. And Daddy.
That's when I'm telling you, Monday morning to go money. 5 o'clock. I was 11 years old, you know. Yeah. I never call me, I go to the church so much. And the man came at 5 o'clock. I first night I got it early. You see when the first bus from town come and stop 6 o'clock. So you know they go to the bathroom and gas station and hurry.
Yeah.
We make about 5 minutes from the first stop. And from that, I look back on the gas station pump and unless I know anything. You just they have one hustle. No man, just screaming, man.
Okay. You make it all right.
We do mechanic work too. Like fix car and we need to help me a mechanic and everything.
Yeah.
I was doing the mechanic say, yo, once you get there, you have to buy tool, you know. Bring the car.
So now the roast and boil.
If you don't get if I got half a kilo, so watch your foot.
Me?
So move from to the knife floor, yeah. Second round of dumpling. What channel name?
LEE-AH channel.
Man, no back because why for the blue set?
No, I make it dry.
Don't sit channel.
I make it roast too much, but it has to roast.
See, that's man,
How much is it?
Ball gone already?
Load that.
Yeah.
Look, you want to go over pool, but
when you go down there, so go play anything.
that's the right.
I'm coming.
Hey, you go down there so much. You have to go down my field.
Huh?
Flick it up. Flick it over. It gone over there, sir. Yay! Go on, man.
Bruce. A bit of time, you know,
Exactly so. Food time. Go Milan. Good try.
You can't stand so close, you go out yourself.
Leave him with the button.
Hola.
Go and go do your vlogging.
Do.
Invest.
Let's tell you when you're ready. You're weak, boy. You're not eat up your vegetables. Purpose. How is the river? How is the river? How is the river?
It's nice. Wow. It's really nice. Nice water.
Watch mommy head.
Yo, get the ball.
Ah!
It's a wide. It's a wide mix. But that's still wide.
Probably. You can't move the camera fast.
Wicked,
No.
wicked, man, wicked.
Can't keep up. Oh my God! My God!
You catch that?
Yeah.
I went there.
Some game this, you know.
Yes, he might walk slowly but surely out.
Lunchtime, guys. Lunchtime.
So then we can get that from them and go test out the as long as you stay right there.
Shoot him and take 3-1 out of the ring.
Yes,
man.
We never started that way.
No, sir. I saw the game.
No, we never started that way, man. No, I back like that, you know.
Ah, the miss! You're play. You miss. Yes, I near a miss. You're play.
Where are they?
See me there.
Yo!
I shoot it.
On first, man.
Wait a minute. Let me do a spot.
Excuse me, honey. Excuse me.
Excuse Charity. Let me see him out. No, man. You get.
Hey, yo!
Wait, man.
You remember the thing there?
Miss. Miss.
Hey! It chip off.
That was very good.
You can't me not fear you, bros. Bros, me not fear. Fire for me. Fire for me, bros. Yeah? Left the ring and fire for me.
Bros, I gotta take out the
Miss!
Yo!
Don't I shoot off a bros? No.
Get up.
Same thing.
Right, that's right.
No allow no lose, can not sit down. Move.
Bros.
You lift up your out.
You have 400% chance. Look, this. Come here, just that.
Right in.
have to know when to go up there.
Ring.
You have to know when to go up there. Yeah, well, I cool that car. I go for it. What to do?
Dip on it.
Yeah.
I'm stuck now.
Yes. Cause the right foot forgot on green.
Nah.
The right foot is on blue.
Slide it under.
Hello, I think it's
Slide it under.
The right foot is on blue. It's okay to forfeit in a Dr. Chana. We have faith in you.
We don't want nothing to you.
Boy.
Dr. Chana,
You can do it.
Really make it. We pay you in prayers, but we pay you in prayers.
Right, you missed it, you know.
Yes.
Miss.
Oh my God!
It's leaving time.
Hey, I make the order and I don't play me. Anybody else interested? I don't mind sharing. Alright, can you just cancel?
Nothing.
Turn around, join the line. Go over there. Turn around.
And see them a wait for me. I soon come out of the bus. Hi guys, I did not close out the video yesterday. So, you know, I have to close it out. It's the next day, but same video. Anyways, so thank you guys for watching and thank you guys for sharing the video. Remember to subscribe. Yes, subscribe and turn on the notifications so no never post on, because I'm gonna start post the video then. I'm gonna start post the video on all these niceness. Yes, and yeah, share the video, subscribe, like it, comment. You understand? And enjoy it. Thank you guys. And have a blessed day, night, evening, morning, and tomorrow.